Hello everyone, welcome to this new video by ChezMamie, where the French cuisine is made easy. So today we are going to make a pâte brisée or short crust pastry, which is a very important recipe. Why? Because we will use this pastry as a basis for some of the next videos. Indeed, you can use this short crust pastry to make, for example, a quiche Lorraine, or to make a strawberry tart, for example. So stay tuned. But for now, let's focus on this easy short crust pastry. So, for a perfect homemade short crust pastry, you will need 150 grams of butter. Then you will need 300 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and then 10 centiliters of warm water. That's it. Are you ready? So let's start. First, you mix your flour with the salt. Quite easy. That's the first step. Now you can add your butter. One secret here is that you should put your butter out of the fridge for some hours before you can play with the recipe here. So don't put it in the microwave, don't melt the butter, but instead, so once you mixed all the butter and the flour, that should look something like that. A little bit like a couscous, like a semoule. And then to make it as the final product, just add a little bit of water to make it easier for you, and that should look like a pâte brisée ready for the oven. Et voilà. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. You will find more recipes by ChezMamie, where the French cuisine is made easy.